In February 1862, Julia Ward Howe visited a Union Army camp in Virginia. While she was there, she heard some soldiers singing a tribute to the abolitionist John Brown. She went home that night and she wrote new verses to the rousing melody that she had heard. She submitted her version to a magazine called the Atlantic Monthly. They published her version in February 1862. Her work is now the national anthem for freedom, the battle hymn of the Republic. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath were stored. He has loosed the fateful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. I have seen him in the watchfires of 100 circling camps. They have builded him an altar in the evening dews and damps. I can read his righteous sentence in the dim and glaring lamps. His day is marching on.
Everyone sing.
Glory, glory,
Hallelujah.
glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. His truth is marching on. Keep it marching, Bob.